We didn't add a caption in part 1. Hey!
Definitely not my fault.
Yeah, just her fault.
Okay,
so we're back with the
we're gonna mix this in.
Cotton Candy
I didn't
Compound
yet.
Kings.
It smells like coconuts.
It's scented.
We have to split the clay in half.
This feels so good. It feels like a jelly slime, and it's so like pretty, and it's just, I love the texture and the sprinkles. They're just beautiful. Now we're gonna move on to the clay. Shoo-woo-wee! So we're gonna get our package soon. Oh, I've been baking it! Wait. It's small bowl. It's, oh wait, that's really smooth. I love it.
I mixed it and it turned into this really pretty teal.
So, that's it for all today. Bye!